Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ and the C, cooking what we crave. So today we have a healthy and delicious juice, beetroot and ginger, also beetroot punch. So stay tuned and stick around to the end to find out the finishing product of both healthy and delicious drink. Okay, so to start this recipe we need the ginger, carrots, beetroot, blender, cutting board, and a knife or a shredder to shred the beetroot. The beetroot gives off a purple stain once it is cut or peeled, so you want to be mindful when you're peeling it. So you can use a gloves if you want to, or you can just go ahead and peel it like that, and then you try to remove the stain from your hands. So this is why my fingers are looking like that, because the beetroot causes the stain. So if you're going to use a cutting board, it is going to stain your cutting board, but that if that's what you prefer, then you can go ahead and use it. Okay then, so we're just going to continue cutting the rest of the beetroot to prepare it with the carrots and the ginger. So you can go ahead and start washing your carrots and your ginger if you want to scrape them or so forth. So prepare the carrots and the ginger. For this recipe we use a pound of carrots and a pound of beetroot along with 2 pieces of ginger, but you can use whatever amount you want to use depending on the amount of juice that you are looking for. So we already shred with beetroot, we cut up with carrot and with ginger, so we're gonna add them little by little to the blender, right? So we're just gonna add them any amount you want to add at a time. You can add them, and then we're going to blend it. So once you add water to the beetroot, it is going to bleed that red color. So we're just going to blend all the ingredients, and this is looking so delicious and colorful. Afterwards, we're going to sieve or strain the juice to extract the juice from it, right? So we're going to strain so that we can get the juice from the trash. You can use the back part of a spoon or you can use your hand just to squeeze out the juice out of the trash, right? So because that is the most important part, we want the juice. Okay, so to sweeten the juice, we're going to add 1 cup. So we had about 1 cup of sugar to sweeten. You can add more or you can add less depending on what you prefer. And about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. If you have a lime, you can use about half of the lime and squeeze. Then we're going to stir to dissolve all the ingredient. So here we have it, our healthy and delicious ginger, carrot, and beetroot juice. So we just finished our delicious beetroot and ginger. Now it's time to make our beetroot punch or beetroot with milk. Alright, so we are going to follow the same procedure. We're going to get the beetroot, wash it, shred or chop, and then we're going to blend. But with this recipe, you're only blending the beetroot alone. You're not add no ginger nor no carrots, just the beetroot. So you don't want to make it too diluted. You want to make it strong. So don't add a lot of water. And after you blend, you use a big strainer or a big sieve to extract the juice from the beetroot. So we're just going to sieve or strain the beetroot to extract the juice, because that's the juice we really want, So we're going to use the back part of the spoon and squeeze, or you can use your hand and squeeze out the juice so tight. Okay, so yes, it's a very lovely and pretty color from the beetroot. It's very pretty. Alright, so afterwards y'all get into things now. Now at time we prepare the beetroot punch. Okay, so we're going to add half cup of sugar to taste. You can use honey if you want to, or you can use more or less sugar based on your liking. 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and we're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of rose water and almond. Then we're going to add about half to 1 cup of milk, and this is vanilla lasco. You can add any milk of your choice, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 can of supplegen. So we're going to add that lovely creamy and thick supplegen, and we're just going to stir so we can get all the flavor, ingredient, and everything dissolve in the punch. You know, with every punch you have to add a toops of salt, so add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And here we have our delicious and creamy beetroot punch. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.